Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check flight status on TigerAir. Follow these detailed steps to check the status of your flight using the updated TigerAir web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred web browser and visit the official TigerAir homepage. If needed, log into your account by clicking on the profile icon at the top right corner and log in using any of your account credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. In this homepage, hover over the Ready to Go tab in the top navigation menu. And you're going to be provided with a drop-down menu including special offers, destinations, fees, special requests, and manage booking. Click on Manage Booking, and that's going to take you to the Manage Booking window. In here, go ahead and enter your booking reference number, otherwise known as your reference, that's your PNR, and enter your given names, enter your surname, and click search. And that's going to take you right into the booking details page. In the booking details page, go ahead and look for the flight status section. In the flight status section, you will see a search box or field labeled flight number or routes. Then enter your flight number or select your departure city and destination. Then click search or check status depending on your update to view the flight status. The flight status will be displayed showing relevant details such as the flight arrival or departure time, the current status such as on time, delayed, cancelled, etc., and the gate information if applicable or if available. If your flight is delayed or cancelled, the system will provide updated details including new estimated times or alternative arrangements if applicable. If your flight is approaching or has already been delayed, continue to check for real-time updates. You can also sign up for SMS or email notifications to receive flight updates on your phone or email. And that's it. You have successfully checked the status of your flight on TigerAir. If your flight status changes, ensure you stay updated for any further details on departure, delays, or cancellation. Now you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.